Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you a step-by-step lesson on how to sign the letters of the alphabet. A. The four fingers come down and rests on the palm while the thumb is pointing at the signer. A. A. B. The thumb goes inwards. B. And the four fingers are straight. B. B. C. C. Not C, not C, but C. The four fingers and the thumb curve to form the letter C. 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 D. D. The thumb and the three fingers come together and the index finger straight. D. 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 E. E. The four fingers bend downwards and the thumb bends inwards. E. E. And it is not easy because it takes time and practice for your fingers to be flexible enough to do the E. Then F. F. It is just the thumb and the index finger that come together while the three fingers remain straight. F. F. G. G. The thumb and the index finger are straight while the three fingers are bent inside. G. G. H. H. The index finger and the middle finger are horizontal. H. The thumb and the other two fingers are bent inwards, so H. H. I. I. So these other fingers, the three of them, and the thumb are down while the pinky is the one that is standing up, showing I. I. J. So J, we use the pinky, the eye, to draw J. J. K. 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 So it is the index finger, the middle finger, and the thumb at this point that are active. So these other ones are down, while the index finger, the middle finger, and the thumb are forming the letter K. 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 L. L. So the thumb and the index finger form the L, while these other three fingers are bending down. L. L. M. M. So the thumb and the pinky are held down while the three fingers bend down to form the letter M. M. N. N. The thumb is holding the two fingers down so that the two other fingers, the middle finger and the index finger, goes down to make the letter N. N. O. O. So all these four fingers bend down and this thumb comes to join them to form the letter O. O. P. P. So we use the K and we put it as inverted to form the letter P. 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 Q. Q. Q is the G that we had, G, and we invert it to form Q. So Q. Q. R. We just use the two fingers, the index finger and the middle finger, which the middle finger coils over the index finger to form the letter R. These others are held by the thumb. R, R. S, S. So the thumb goes over the four fingers which are bent downwards. S, S. T, T. So the three fingers are down, then the thumb is straight. The index finger goes over the thumb to form the letter T. T, T. U, U. So the two fingers are held down by the thumb, and these two fingers, the middle finger and the index finger, are up. U. So U, U. It is just the same as N, but N, the two fingers are bending down, but this time U is just straight. U. V, V. So this is just the same as U, but this time the two fingers are apart and not together. V, V. W. W is the same as M, but this time the fingers are not bending down, but they are straight. W, W. X, X. So it is the index finger that is just bending. X, X. Y. So the three fingers which are in the middle go down, and the pinky and the thumb are up. Y. Z. Z is the easiest letter of the alphabet in sign language. This is because we just use the index finger to draw the Z. Z. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have learned. If my first video on letters of the alphabet was not good enough for teaching, I believe that this one will do the work. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it is of any importance to you. See you in the next video. Bye.